Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you a more in-depth view of this kit. This was one that I just got in a haul. I got it off of eBay, and it's best of my recollection, if I remember correctly, it's a 1962 edition of the 1925 Model T Ford. And this is a classic collector's model. I think this, I don't know if this may just end up being my favorite box art. I love antique things, and this look with the stripes, and I think they were going more for a look of 1925 than they were 1962, and they did it. But this box just is amazing to me. I love it. When I saw this kit, I was so happy to be able to get it. So you can build this one apparently 3 different ways. There's your pickup. Here's your classy looking high top thing. I don't even know what it's called. And then there's your convertible. But I'm going to open it up. Now this kit has been shaken around quite a bit. It's been opened and looked at and all kinds of stuff, but the parts, I believe they're all still here. I think it's all a complete kit, and there's some cool things like with the instructions and another little brochure that it came with. So this is also 1/25th scale, and let me show you what. So here's the yellowed Trophy Series 1925 Model T by AMT. Let me get this out of the way so we can see these. Just super cool. So you can hot rod this thing too. I've not gone in depth and looked at anything, so this has a hot rod, racing tank and seat and everything. So we've got stock engine. Do you see that? That's funny. Have stock engine, and then you have larger engine. Oh boy, I don't know what the larger engine may be. I'm not sure, but it is supercharger. It has a blower, it says. Larger engine. That's funny. But this thing is like long, like a scroll. But then you have stock frame instructions, or you have the dropped frame instructions. And final assembly. And there's something, speaking of final assembly, there's something here that I've got to, when I get to it, I opened this kit and looked at the parts, but there's something here that kind of puzzles me, and I'll go to that in a minute. But I just want to show you these old, it's so cool. Custom Roadster, custom coupe, competition coupe. Very cool. Very cool. Love this stuff. I just feel like it's just a little time capsule. Says this kit may be built 2 of many ways. Built 2 of many ways. What does that mean? May be built 2 of many ways. Is there enough parts in here to build 2 of them? Look over the instruction sheet carefully before you begin building. You may decide to combine parts from the different versions shown, or use parts from the other AMT kits for a really personalized model. So they're promoting kit bashing. How do you like that? I'm not going to read all of it. And such cool stuff. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wish I could go there. Wish I could time travel back and buy a bunch of kits. So neat. Here's the instructions for applying the white walls. I bet they're no good now, but this is the instructions. Not quite as yellow as the instructions. Alright, here's the decal sheet. I'm trying to see. These are like, I can hardly make out. I think those are like drag car numbers. You can hardly see, like if you were to put them on windows. Genuine Ford parts. Very cool. For sale. Moon equipped. Man, Moon's been around forever. Phone booth. Cow flames. Moon eyes, or moon equipped, the small eyes, and then there's a padded coupe top and also some pinstripes. But I don't think these would ever be useful because they don't look cracked, but they're very yellow. And I know some people can say put them out in the sun or whatever, maybe. So here is a little pamphlet for the recent releases of 1960. Hold on, this can't be a 62 kit. There's a 65 Falcon. Maybe this is 1965. I see a 65 Thunderbird, 65 Galaxy, 65 Falcon customizing kit. So apparently this is a 65 issue kit, not a 62. Maybe that's what it was originally. I just was mistaken. So here's 125 kits that were produced those years. Very cool. AFX Falcon. I'd like to have that one. And then there's other kits that were apparently new for the I guess 1965 year. All right, here up front, see this is literally just looks like it's rolled down a mountain. This chrome right off the bat doesn't look much like chrome, but it looks like aluminum. Cool set of wheels. There's your oil pan, your front chrome axle, half your moon tank, supercharger, the other half of the moon tank right here, headers, valve covers. Can't tell exactly what kind of engine that is. So it's got 2 bolts holding the valve cover on. What is that? Is that some sort of Buick or Oldsmobile or something like that? I'm not sure. There's the chrome grill. Neat stuff. Horn. Cool stuff. And the chrome tree looks complete, like nothing's missing off of it. Can't say that for the rest of the parts. Here's the fenders and the wood, which they did a great job. This wood grain is awesome. Look at that. I mean, that truly looks like real wood. How did they do that back in the 60s? How did they didn't have computers. How did they make that look so, I guess somebody with a little etch, like how they make coins, they just scratched and then made a, bottom side even has a wood grain. Wow. Guys, that is amazing. Wish you could see it like I can see it, but that looks like boards. That's cool. Here's here's an intake. I don't know if the intake, but an intake. Here's 3 or 6 probably 1 barrels or maybe 2 barrels. Big old cool gear shifter. Set of seat belts and some other stuff. I don't have a clue what they are. Here's some belts, more carburetors. Looks like, almost looks like some set of hinges or something here. I don't know what that is. There's a radiator and no clue what the other stuff. The instrument panel right there. Instrument panel. Floor pan of some sort, I think. Here's the inline 4 flathead that would have been original Model T. Set of pedals, windshield frame, steering column, fan, and some license plates. Here's a hair. But my wife would say, that's disgusting. Well, sorry. Here's the cab for the whatever the one that was on the front of the box. It's like Abraham Lincoln would drive this. It reminds me of Abraham Lincoln because it's like his top hat would not hit the ceiling if he drove this. Oh, and this is where I wanted to mention. So here is the here's the glass for this right? I ain't got a dang clue, but you know what? It almost looks like it's not the glass for it because the windows are at an angle. No, it is too. It is the glass for it. I tried to get this in there. I don't know how. Maybe you just have to wedge it up in there, but it's like this is too big. This does not fit. Maybe you get it in there sideways. I don't know. I've tried and tried and tried the other day, and I don't see any way of getting that. I mean, you know, it's almost like one of those little puzzles. Like, you ever see the two horseshoes that are attached by a chain? There's two horseshoes, and they're attached by two chain links. And if you twist it just right, you can break them apart. They'll come apart. But you got to do it just right. That's what I'm thinking. It's almost like it's one of those puzzles. It's like, this will go in this, but you got to figure it out. And the instructions just like show, whoop, just pops in there. But I'm telling you, it's like way too dang skinny. I don't know. I ain't got a clue. Except being a body, and it's just like, I don't think they would have. Anyway, I don't know. But there's the body. One of them. Here's a set of seats. Boy, they look comfy. And that's not sarcasm. They really do look comfy, because it would have had all those little pads. Too cool. Not sure what this is. Maybe I don't know. I have no idea. Back truck bed with a tire burn in it. Convertible top. See any tire burns? Nope, no tire burns. Convertible top here. Here is glass, and there's other pieces of glass floating around in the box. Glass, two different size headlights. Here's another seat with a gas tank under it. Interesting. So you could take the top seat off and show the gas tank. Headlight buckets. And a mono leaf spring for the rear. Well, maybe for the front. They had them in the front and rear. This has got lots of little parts. There's the T-bucket style cab. Here's a little chassis. I don't know if this is no, there's two. So there's two chassis here. One's dropped and one's stock, and I'm thinking the stock's got the straight muffler, so this would be stock. This would be your drop chassis. Blower belt right there. It's the only thing left on this tree is the blower belt. Banjo rear end. Quick change rear end. Metal axle. Oh, okay. So the stock wheels and tires are all plastic. So it's just plastic. That's it. But they have high level of detail. Even has a valve stem. Cool. Neat little tires. I'm not going to pull all these parts out of the bottom. But here's the engine half for the 4-cylinder. Engine half for the V8. Beer keg. Wooden beer keg, looks like. Some of the 1965 rubber tires have this sheen to them almost. See that? They would have to have something done to them, because they're like shiny. They almost look like they have had oil on them or something. Yeah, I don't know. And the back, which they're really cool, but they're kind of soft too. Those are probably the ones that made the burn marks. Looks like Firestone drag tires. Some of those bias ply drags. Looks like a 18-wheeler tire that they put a flat or a smooth recap on. I don't think that's what they did, but it's what it reminds me of. Here's the back portion of one of the body sections. Here's the little race car seat. Oh, the hood. Cool beans. And the convertible boot. Fenders and other little odds and ends. And here are the white walls. Probably aren't any good, but they are still sticking to the paper. So that's good news. There's all kinds of little parts. Here's a tailgate. Ford. Let's see if I can get it. Here's your Ford tailgate right there. Nicely done with the chains. And the parts for the quick change axle. bottom side of the bottom side of the 4-cylinder, and on. Racing steering wheel. Okay, I'm not going to go through any more of these. There's a window that I need to put together. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. How many of you guys have this kit? Have you ever built it? I bet it builds good. I bet there's nothing wrong at all with the build quality of this kit. Oh, that's bright. There we go. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video. I'm going to bag these parts up and kind of try and keep them separated. Get the wheels separated from the other parts so it doesn't burn any more parts as it sits on my shelf until the day I'm gone. But maybe I'll build it. Doubt it. Seriously doubt it. But thanks for watching this video. Hey guys, if you hadn't subscribed already, go hit the subscription button. I'd appreciate it. Like this video, comment, let me know all about what you know about this kit. Which way did you build it? Did you build a Abraham Lincoln style cool convertible or a farmer's work truck? Which one did you build? Do you remember this kit when it came out? I'm looking at the inside of the box, pretty neat. I just love the colors. I think it's so classy. I think it just reeks 1925, and I think they did a great job with that. But anyway, guys, again, thank you for watching this video. Go check out hobbynutmodels.com. Link in the description below. Go check him out. Grab you some paint, grab you a kit, grab any supplies you need to build a great model kit. Go to the Facebook group, join there, have a good time, submit or post your pictures. We can all see them. Also, check out the Teespring store. Grab you a Model Car Videos t-shirt, a Model Car Videos sticker, a Model Car Videos coffee mug. Get your wife a Model Car Videos female shirt with a purple logo that says "for her." It's pretty cool. Thank you to Amanda, by the way, for sending me that design. And if you're not a Patreon member, go check out the Patreon page. We have private live streams. Trying to do it once a month, and it is a lot of fun. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. And hey, I'm sure there'll be something coming out soon. Take care, and hey, we'll see you later.